Hello, I am in Bangor in Wales and I'm here for work, so I don't have much time for exploring, but let's see what I can find here because so far it looks lovely. Alright, second morning in Bangor. Last night was really lovely. I had a walk to Menai Bridge, which took me an hour, so it took us back. The bridge was beautiful, the views from it are lovely, and a little glimpse to Anglesey were also amazing. I had a nice dinner and I really recommend that place, so I will leave it linked in the description below. And I do recommend booking because I was very lucky to get a table. And this morning I started again early to see Garth Pier, which I love it. It's one of those Victorian times piers which you have a few in the UK, and it's absolutely lovely. There's like a lot of kiosks that's still working, a cafe at the end, there's people fishing, and it's just nice. It's actually quite busy for the time when it just opened because it's just after 8 and there are people running, walking dogs, fishing. So it's quite a busy one already, even though nothing on the pier is open yet. But it's so nice, so peaceful, and I really would love to come back here for holidays. So that's my brief visit to Bangor. Now I need to head to work, and after that I'm back to London. So let's finish this walk through the pier back, and I hope you enjoyed. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel to see more of my little travels, daily life vlogs in London, some skating, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!